Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add free file uploads to Webflow forms. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to open up your Webflow. So now this option or this way of doing it, you will need a site plan for this, so from here, we need to go ahead and draw a form block onto your page or select an existing form. So we do that by clicking on add and then add a form block. So you can, under elements, you can type in form and add a form block. Now, as you can see, there's a form block settings here on my page. Now, after that, we need to go ahead and click on the plus icon again to add and then type in file. And then we need to go ahead and add the file upload into here as well. So you simply drag it into your form. You can also change the words if you like, so you can rename the labels for, so make it say upload your file. You can change the button text, for example, choose file and see what files are allowed, like PDF, images, etc. I can't show you directly because I'm not a paid user, but if you are, you can use this into your form. Now once you're done, you can go ahead and click on publish, so the publish button top right, then view your site. The upload field will be there.